Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Biology Notes. Today I am going to discuss the list of hormones found in human and general mechanism of action of hormones. Most of the hormones in human body are secreted from the endocrine glands, but there are some heterocrine glands and mixed organs which are also produce some important hormones. You all know what are endocrine glands. Endocrine glands are ductless glands and secrete their products directly into the blood. So what are the main important endocrine glands in human? Hypothalamus, pituitary, pineal, thyroid, parathyroid, thymus, adrenal, etc. So these glands produces most of the hormones in the human body. There are some heterocrine glands or mixed glands. These glands can secrete their products directly or via duct into the blood. It means these glands have both exocrine and endocrine function. Some important heterocrine glands are pancreas, testes in males, ovaries in females. Now, there are some organs which are specialized to perform other functions, but they can also secrete some hormones. The organs are gastrointestinal tract, heart, kidneys, etc. So, all these glands and organs collectively constitute the human endocrine system. Now, I will mention the hormones which are secreted from the glands and the organs. The important hormones which are produced by hypothalamus are thyrotropin releasing hormone or TRH, corticotropin releasing hormone or CRH, gonadotropin releasing hormone or GnRH, growth hormone releasing hormone or GHRH, dopamine, vasopressin, oxytocin, etc. Hormones which are released from anterior lobe of the pituitary are growth hormone or somatotropic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotropic hormone, luteinizing hormone, follicle stimulating hormone, prolactin, etc. The hormone which is released from the intermediate lobe of pituitary is melanocyte stimulating hormone. The hormones which are released from the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland are antidiuretic hormone or vasopressin, oxytocin, etc. Melatonin is released from pineal gland. Thyroxine, calcitonin, triiodothyronine hormones are released from thyroid gland. Parathyroid hormone is released from parathyroid gland. Thymosin is released from thymus gland. The hormones which are released from cortex region of adrenal gland are aldosterone, deoxycorticosterone, cortisol, cortisone, corticosterone, testosterone, estrogens, etc. The hormones which are released from medulla region of the adrenal gland are adrenaline or epinephrine, noradrenaline or norepinephrine. Pancreas produces glucagon, insulin, somatostatin, pancreatic polypeptide hormones. Testis in males produces testosterone, androstenedione, inhibin hormone. Ovaries in females produce estrogens, progesterone, relaxin hormones, etc. Placenta secretes few important hormones during pregnancy. They are human chorionic gonadotropin hormone, human placental lactogen hormone, estrogens, progesterone, etc. Gastrointestinal or GI tract also secrete few important hormones. They are gastrin, secretin, cholecystokinin, gastric inhibitory peptide, etc. Heart also secrete some hormones. They are atrial natriuretic peptide or ANP, brain natriuretic peptide or BNP, etc. Kidneys are also produces some hormones. They are erythropoietin, 125 dihydroxyvitamin D3, etc. In this diagram, I have shown mechanism of action of peptide hormones. Peptide hormones are linear chains of amino acids. Peptide hormones are typically too large to pass freely through cell membranes. So, the signals that they carry must be transmitted to the interior of cells by membrane bound receptor proteins. Suppose this is a peptide hormone molecule and this is the target cell. When there is no ligand, the cytoplasmic protein which is associated with the receptor is in inactive state. Now, when the hormone interacts with the receptor and forms hormone receptor complex, the cytoplasmic protein gets activated. The activated cytoplasmic protein transduces a signal to the nucleus via signal molecule. The signal then induces a transcription factor to bind to DNA. The bound transcription factor stimulates transcription of particular genes. The transcript is processed and transported to the cytoplasm as mRNA. The mRNA is translated into proteins which are essential for biological function. Steroid hormones are small lipid soluble molecules derived from cholesterol. Because of their lipid nature, they can easily pass the cell membranes of the target cells. Once these hormones have entered a cell, they interact with cytoplasmic or nuclear proteins called hormone receptors. In this diagram, I have shown steroid hormone mechanism of action via cytosolic receptor. Suppose these are steroid hormones, for example, glucocorticoids. This is the target cell. This is cell membrane of the target cell. The steroid hormone enters its target cell. Suppose this is the cytosolic receptor protein. The steroid hormone combines with this receptor protein to form steroid hormone receptor complex. Now, this complex enters into nucleus through the pores in nuclear envelope. Then, the hormone receptor complex binds a hormone response element in the DNA. Here, it acts as a transcription factor. So, it stimulates the transcription of particular genes. The transcript or pre-mRNA is processed and transported in the cytoplasm. Finally, the mRNA is translated into proteins which are essential for different biological processes. Other steroid hormones such as estrogen, progesterone, testosterone, thyroid hormones, etc., act via nuclear receptors. The mechanism is almost same. Only the difference is that the receptors reside in the nucleus. So this is all about the list of hormones which are found in human body and general mechanism of action of hormones. If you have any query, please comment, share the video if you like, subscribe the channel for more upcoming videos. Stay with us, keep watching. Thank you.